So these are the sounds we wake up every morning here in the house when our van is parked here. Every house has a chicken and roosters, and they start singing early in the morning. So everything we own is in this corner right here. Not that much.
We have actually cleaned our van properly. We had pressurized air that we actually used that to clean every corner of the van from the dust. Because a van accumulates a lot of dust inside. Because we are in the beaches and places where sand is blown by the wind and it comes inside. So every corner of the van is full of dust. And now it's pristine condition. Every dust piece is actually clean from the van. But next place that we're gonna actually clean is our grey water tank. There is always wastewater inside. 99% it's just water that has washing liquids, and that's it. But after time it accumulates this nasty things inside the tank, and we're gonna actually now pressure wash the tank from the inside. And how we do it is that we have a garden hose, 6 bars of water pressure over there from the pump, and we have made cracks to the pipe so it splashes all around the inside of the tank. So we just put this inside of the tank. That is our way of pressure washing our grey water tank. Nowadays, if we don't empty the grey water tank, it will smell a lot after maybe 5 days. But when we clean it, there might be something for a week and we don't even recognize it. We always try to empty the grey water tank at least every other day. So there ain't that much old water that is boiling there, or it's not really boiling, but it's like the alcohol way. Bubbling there, making gases. But yeah, every 2 days we try to actually empty it.
Daredevil, I wouldn't stick my head there.
Iteration number 2. This black pipe, same kind of cracks that I made, so it splashes the pressurized water inside, and I have cap here. So this yellow hose didn't fit inside our grey water tank, so now we have this part that we're gonna stick inside. Yeah. Shit. Now when our van has been actually sitting here for weeks, we don't use the van and it's like idling here. We have app for our battery BMS system, and we have actually those red dots means that discharging and charging are at the moment off. So solar doesn't charge our batteries because we want to keep them around 50% and 3.3 volts. That's because lithium likes to be somewhere between 50 to 65% capacity. What we have learned now that our BMS system is eating 0.3% of the battery capacity every day. That's not really much. There is 2 relays that actually are consuming some, and also the BMS itself is consuming a little. So we have to consider that if we ever leave our van somewhere for a longer period of time. Either we keep the solar charger on, or I don't know, go there every 300 days. So yeah, our batteries actually can handle that BMS for over a year without charging. That's pretty good. It's gradually actually going down every day, but it's really slow, and we keep them there. If we want to charge, we have 230 volts here, so we can charge with that or just let the solar to charge it. But now when we have to actually test it, now we have all the relays. I don't know if it catches, but there's a relays off, so I'm gonna put this just relay on, and now we should have power.
Da-da-da-da!
Because this house is owned by a British couple, every appliances are with British plug. So we have lots of adapters in here. Yes, we have been always against that there shouldn't be USB loading in the bed area, so this is a place for
No Wi-Fi zone!
no Wi-Fi zone. It's just for sleeping and admiring the views from the back windows. But now we are actually throwing away that ideology and adding a USB charging to our bed zone. There's 2 reasons for that. So we can charge phones or tablets or anything that we use. Another one is Sarah wanted to buy USB lights back in the van, so we can actually install them here in the frame. So we have some mood lights in here. Yeah, just really easy. Costed like a couple of euros this USB ports. Gonna drill hole and it comes here. We have 12 volts in here inside the van, so it's really easy. There is a light, so they have 12 volts here. Really easy. Fuse it in the same fuse as the lights. It's a 10 amp fuse, so more than enough power to get USB charging. This is 3.1 amp USB charger, but I like it because it's not bulky, and it doesn't have lights. It's really hard to find USB charger or plugs that don't have light in it, because every time there is some LED that is shining.
Annoying!
Yes, but let's install. We don't have a drill, so we are using Dremel, but it's enough because we have to just make this really small hole. Tässä on valo. Vittu. Just kun puhut. Badams! Yeah. I'm actually surprised how bright these LEDs are in this. This is only powered by USB. Pretty awesome. It works. Yes.
We are going to install these twinkly lights, party lights. that are USB powered. There hasn't been USB outlet, but now Joni will fix that and we can change these cheesy lights with the little remote control. I know you can buy a fancy ones that has an app or something. And then we are going to put little plants. So this is like a home decor episode now. So these poison ivy, they are just plastic, or is this like silky kind of textures, and use a string and just cut it and put it around our bed section.
Well, are we ready yet?
Not so sure if I like this, to be honest. Yeah, we are screwing everything so they don't fall, because everything falls and breaks in a van. Oh my god, these string lights are so annoying to install. So don't do like I do. Just put them before you put everything on the walls. Yeah, the water looks really tempting because it's very sunny weather and it looks really warm, but the water is freezing cold. Our friends came to visit us, our nomad friends. So we have a Jesse here. Jesse travels with the camper van also, and Jesse is a really good tattoo artist. So do you know what time it is? We are getting tattoos! We are so excited. It's so nice to be here in the Andalusian sun in the middle of the winter. We cannot believe we're actually here. The flowers are kind of flowering still. We have been enjoying our time here a lot. In the rainy days we have been doing some mazes and puzzles indoors, and when the weather is good like now, we have been grilling good food and enjoying this lovely garden. It's absolutely beautiful here. So we try to go outside always when the weather is so good. Yeah, there's some Oli Valley. We are going to take a little morning walk there with the pulla and just enjoy this beautiful weather whenever it's not raining. Our dog Pulla does not like other dogs. Calming walk here in the olive valleys. Roosters are yelling and dogs are barking, and
Yeah, it's a live-like surroundings here in a little town. Yeah, people are always, when it's good weather like this, they are outside and saying hola, and that is the only word that we can know in Spanish. So hola. You can see the whole town from here, and our house.
It's so nice to come walk here in this olive valley, and there's so many of these olive trees. We are now located in the highest top of this little village, and we can see all around. There's tons of hills and hundreds of thousands of different kind of olive trees and bushes, and it's like a maze here. And yes, we did ask our host, it's totally okay to walk here, so we are not doing anything harm here, but it's so beautiful. We can see so far away. I don't know if the GoPro can catch us, but there's a hill after hill after hill after hill after hill, and just olive bushes. Whoa.
They actually go around, drive around and throw candies to the children like us.